let's continue with this example number 2. Nina deposited 500 ringgit every 3 months for 10 years into a saving account that paid interest 7% compounded quarterly. Okay, so the keyword in this question is every 3 months. So that means this 500 ringgit is invested every 3 months for 10 years. So this is the annuity problem, not the normal compound interest problem. Okay, sebab RM500 ni bukan hanya sekali sahaja kita invest RM500, Nina invest RM500 setiap 3 bulan. So setiap 3 bulan dia akan invest RM500. The next 3 bulan pun dia akan invest RM500. Okay, so ini adalah konsep annuity. Okay, so this 500 ringgit is the value of R or P? R, regular payment. Remember, for annuity, we don't have the principal value, but we have the R value. R is regular payment. For 10 years, this is of course your T kan? This is your T. This 7%, this is K, compounded quarterly, this is M equals to 4. Find the amount saved just after the last deposit and the total interest charge. Okay, so in timeline, 0. This is months, so 3 months, because the investment is for every 3 months. So at this month here, Nina invested 500 ringgit. And then the next investment is on the 6th month, 500 ringgit. And then the next investment is on the 9th month, 500 ringgit. Okay. So until, okay, the last investment is on this month. Okay, because this investment is for 10 years. So the last investment, also for 100 ringgit, is made on this month. Okay, so the question asks you to find the amount saved just after the last deposit. So maksudnya di bulan yang ini, so berapa jumlah yang Nina dah simpan selepas dia invest this amount. This is the last investment. Okay, so this is your S. You must find the future value of this annuity. And the next question, you must find the total interest earned or total interest charge. Okay, so for annuity, we use this formula to calculate the S. 1 plus I power of n minus with 1 divided by I. Okay. So R is the regular payment, 500 ringgit. 1 plus I is K over M. So K is 0.07, M is 4, and then power of N equals to MT, so M is 4, T is 10 years, and then minus 1 over 0.07 divided by 4. Okay, next simplify, 500 ringgit. 1 plus 0.07 divided by 4 is 1.0175, power of 40 minus 1, and 0.07 divided by 4 is 0.0175. Okay, and then calculate the final value using calculator. So S is RM, 28,617 ringgit 76. Okay, so this is the amount, total amount saved by Nina for 10 years. Okay, provided that Nina deposited 500 ringgit every 3 months. Okay, next, find the interest charge or interest earned from this investment. So I equals to S minus with Rn. So S is 617.07 minus with Rn is R multiplied 500 multiply with N is equals to MT. So M is 4, T is 10. So this is 40. So 500 ringgit multiply with 40. Okay, so 617.07 minus with 20,000 RM. So the interest is RM 8617.07. Okay, so for this investment, Nina dia dah invest setiap 3 bulan selama 10 tahun. So Nina's initial investment is actually 20,000 ringgit only. Okay, RM500 ni dia invest selama 10 tahun tetapi 3 bulan sekali. So investment Nina hanya 40 kali selama 10 tahun ini. So total Nina hanya invest RM20,000. Okay, sebab setiap investment RM500 kan. So 40 kali 500 is RM20,000. Okay. So the interest is this amount. S minus with initial investment. Okay, next example. RM150 was invested every month. So investment for every period, setiap bulan. So this is annuity. In an account that pays 8.4% compounded monthly, so of course this is K, compounded monthly, M equals to 12, for 2 years, T equals to 2. So RM150 is your R, regular payment. After 2 years, no more deposit was made. Find the amount in the account at the end of 5 years. Okay, so how to answer this question? Okay, first step is always to draw the timeline. Okay, so this is 0. So payment every month, investment for every month. So first payment, first investment is at the end of the first month, 150. Okay, and then also 150 here, 150 until 2 years of investment. So 2 years is equals to 24 months. So the last investment is on the 24th month, also RM150. Okay, but the question asks you to find the amount in the account at the end of 5 years. So tadi kita dah stop sampai sini. This is for 2 years. So 5 years. Okay, we want the S value. We want the amount in this account at the end of this year. So you must find S here. Not S here, but S after 5 years. Alright. Okay, so first step is to find the S1. S1 is the amount of the annuity after the last payment made here. Okay, so this is S1. Okay, because this is annuity, so you must find the S using future value of annuity, using formula of future value of annuity. Okay, R is 150. 1 plus I, so 1 plus I is K over M. 0.084 over M is 12, power of N equals to MT, so 12 times with, okay, the S1 is only until 2 years, so T is 2 minus 1 over 0.084 divided by 12. Okay, and then simplify your answer, simplify the calculation in this bracket first. And then find the power, 12 times 2, 24, minus 1. And then for this part here, simplify, so 0.007. And then you can find the final answer using your calculator. So S is RM 3905.24. Okay. So S1 is RM3905.24. So this is the future value of the annuity when 150 ringgit is invested every month for 2 years. But now we want the value of the investment after 5 years. Okay, so you must find the S2 here. Because this is the compound interest. Once you put your money in the bank, the next day, your money will increase because we have the additional amount of interest. So after 5 years, this value, the S1 value, will change because we have the interest rate. We have the interest. Okay, so this value is compounding into these 5 years. T equals to 5. Okay. But now, the concept is only this amount is compounding into this. So only one value here. So this is actually the normal compound interest concept. So to calculate the S2, you use the formula of S in compound interest. P1 plus I power of n. But what is our P? Our P is the S1 value. 3905.24. 1 plus I is 0.084 divided by 12. Power of n. N is M is 12. T is, what is T? Okay, the S1 value is at T equals to 2. But now we want the S2 value where S2 is at T equals to 5. Okay, so T from here to here is only 3 years. So 12 times with 3. Okay, as usual, the next step is to simplify your calculation. So 3905.24, 0.084 divided by 12 is 0.007. 1 plus that value is 1.007 power of 36. Okay, so your final answer is RM5020.06. Okay, next example. Okay, please try this example. So this is your homework. Please try this example. And the final answer for example number 4 is RM6500.96. Alright, please try this. And we are going to discuss this example in our next class.